Hey guys, this is Jake from State Fun. Today we're gonna go pick up a wood chipper. Got a deal I can't refuse on this one. So let's get on the road. So this wood chipper we're gonna go get, it's actually a coworker's. He inherited it from a guy that used to do a lot of tree trimming work. It's powered by a V8 Ford, and there's the drum is belt driven. I have no idea how big of a tree it can actually chip, but I'm sure it can do a lot bigger than what the Harbor Freight one's capable of. So it'll do plenty for our needs. But the stipulation on it is, I get it for free, and if/when I get it running and functional, then he's allowed to borrow it anytime he wants to. So it's a great mix of getting a wood chipper, being able to fix it up for some content here, and being able to use it for clearing land and helping get rid of some of those trees in our on our property. I'm excited about this, so let's show it to you when we get there. Well guys, this is it. This is the chipper. It's old, broken down, and it's gonna be a fun project to put back together. What am I supposed to do with this? We'll just hook up the winch and try and pull it, and then see where it goes. Well guys, we made it back pretty safe. The only thing that really came loose was the hood for the engine, and that just fell further down into the slot there. So I went ahead and took it off, got it out of the way. We're gonna plan on hooking up the gator to the back of it and pulling it off the back end. I may hook the winch up to the front and do it a little bit more slowly as we're backing it off, just to make sure it doesn't roll over me in the gator. That's the plan, so let's get her done. So what we got is a V8 Ford. Looks like all the plug wires are there and connected. I don't know how much I'm gonna actually check before I try just cranking her over, see what the heck happens. Little air box here. Oh! Well, that could be a problem. Spiderwebs and dirt dauber nest. A little bit of dirt dauber nest down inside. Well, that could be an issue. I don't have a key for it. Let's see. There's the oil dipstick. Oh, there's the oil dipstick. It has oil. I mean, it's gonna be lubricating at least. I mean, at least I can hook up the battery and try and turn it over and see if it's at least locked. I mean, I'll be able to tell whether it's locked up or not. We'll get a dirt dauber nest out of there and then see what the heck we can do. Well guys, it's locked up. What can you expect out of these old Fords though? I mean, they don't run worth crap anyways. We'll probably tear it down in a future video, see if it's worthwhile to try and fix it. Or we may just swap in a small block Chevy. Drop a comment down below and let me know which way you think I should go. Overall, it's gonna be a fun project. I hope y'all subscribe to see the continuation of this. Go ahead and like the video to make sure I know that you do enjoy this content. And in general, y'all have a good one.